Good morning students. I hope you are all doing fine. Today we are going to make Shri Krishna Jhula. Things required: scissor, stapler, tape, Fevicol, decorative beads, laces, craft paper and clothes. Two important things that we would require for making Jhula are this sweet box and a simple soap box. So over here you can see that we would make our base something like this. This would be the palna, and I have made this portion with the help of cover of the box, right? Just folded it and made some staples so that I can get something like this. Make sure to make it hard so that when you are placing your Laddu Gopal over here, it won't fall down, right? Just take it and make it hard. For example, I have taken 2 coatings over here. So now I have covered it with cloth. I will tell you how to make these flowers at the end. Here our Bal Krishna Jhula is complete. As you can see, we have just accumulated the previous things which I have shown, and with the help of laces and making some flowers from the cloth as well as from the paper, we have decorated it. For example, these roses, we have learned how to make them in the previous video, and over here this is the mandala art which we have already made in the previous video. There are slightly more things which you can learn in this video. For example, these roses, see these roses and these red roses, these are very similar. Okay, so I would be telling you how to make them. So you can simply take a gota and from between, right? For example, this is the length, so from between I am doing this way, and then you have to just overlap it. If you remember the way we have made the snake, it is also very much similar. So from here I have just slightly hold this one, and the other ribbon I am stretching it, right? Just do it gently, and at the end you would get something like this, right? Then you can place a bead over here, and I have decorated them all over here, right? For example, these red roses and these golden ones. So now I am going to tell you how I have made these one, right? So for this you have to simply take a paper. This is a kind of a different paper. If you do not have this kind of paper, you can take some other paper, and you have to just hold it from between this way. Okay, now how you would make it remain this way is the question. So over here I have taken another gota and just do this way, right? These laces are also called gota. Okay, so laces or gota, anything, just do this way, a knot, but don't tie it now. Take your flower and place it inside it, and then do it something like this. So you would get your flower, right? This one is a bigger flower because I have made it so that it is clear to you. These are small ones, and you can see that I have easily made them. Now you must be thinking how I have made them. So these also have been made in the similar way, but this is the net cloth, right? And this is also a different kind of cloth. These are simple decorative clothes, and I have just made them similarly. The thing is that I have taken around, you can see, this is the one circle and this is the second circle. So when I have joined them, I have got something like this. These can be purchased in market, and you can simply, with the help of elder, make something like this, right? Now here comes this row, this flower, and it is also very simple. It is that I have simply taken a long net cloth and I have wrapped it around it so many times, and I have got something like this. As you can see that I have just rolled it. It is starting from the beginning, and then I have rolled it around one another, and I have got something like this, right? And these flowers, they have been simply made. You remember this one? You have to just cut it this way, and you would get these kinds of flowers. So these are very simple to make. So I just want to give you quick 3 tips. First is that in this I have used a lot of clothes, and therefore I have to use a glue gun. This is the glue gun. As I have used a lot of clothes in this, therefore I have used this, because if you are using clothes, then you cannot paste it with Fevicol or something like this. So I would say that if you are using paper, it is great because there are so many different kinds of decorative paper which can be used. The second thing is, use your prerequisite knowledge. For example, there are so many kinds of flowers which I have told you how to make in Independence Day video, as well as the paper rose craft video also. So there are so many other ways of making these roses, because these kinds of flowers are the best buddy when we are making any kind of craft item, because it becomes really easy to decorate it with them. And the third and the final tip that I want to give you is that use more and more items which you can make at home. Don't go out for buying new things. For example, over here I have used these Moorpankhis, right, the peacock feather, because I have them at my home. So there must be so many things at your house which you can use. And always go for flowers, right? You can learn how to make different kinds of flowers and you can decorate it without use of any kind of lace or any beads or decorative items. And over here our Laddu Gopal is ready, and you can have it as a Janmashtami present for your family. And I hope to see wonderful results coming from you all. Thank you, and all the best. Stay home, stay safe.